Hello dears, Namaste and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today's recipe is everyone's favorite garlic bread. This time without using oven. We will be doing it on the pan. How cool is it to make garlic breads at home that are no way less than the ones we crave to eat at Pizza Hut. That too with ingredients that are readily or easily available in every household. So let's start our way to treat our taste buds in budget. I have taken soft butter in a bowl. Soft butter in the sense, get butter out of the refrigerator and let it sit in room temperature for good 5 to 10 minutes. Please do not melt it. The consistency just needs to be soft. Now the quantity. I can't give you the exact measurement, but this amount is good for around 350 grams of bread. These are around 9 to 10 garlic cloves. I am mincing them here. You can very well grate them using a grater or add fresh garlic paste. It's up to you. Season this with a pinch of salt. Increase the quantity of salt if you are using unsalted butter. Garlic bread without herbs isn't complete. I am adding a teaspoon of mixed herbs here. I always have a good stock of herbs in my kitchen, so I did use oregano, thyme, basil and rosemary. Now you may think not everyone has these ingredients available. So let me clarify. You don't need to add all of them necessarily. Just oregano or any herb that you have access to will do. Now, spicing this up with a teaspoon of chili flakes. If you do not have them, then just add chili powder or paprika powder. The last ingredient that goes in are finely chopped coriander leaves. Now give them a good mix. That's it. Our yummy garlic butter is all done. Time to work on the breads. I've taken 360 grams of multigrain baguettes. You can use any kind of loaf or even regular sliced bread for that matter. If you do not want to match with the Pizza Hut garlic bread look. After all, what matters is the taste. Looks might be deceiving, right? I am making equal slices of the baguette. If you are interested in making healthy garlic bread, then you can please refer to my take on the healthy garlic bread recipe, the video link which you can see on the screen right now, or I have also linked it in the description below. In the healthy version, I did not use butter and any kind of refined flour for the breads. It's a good healthy recipe, so please check it out. Now the breads are ready. Apply a generous amount of garlic butter to the slices on one side. Meanwhile, also heat a pan. Once you're done working on the breads, let's move to the hob area. Drop a little butter on the hot pan and spread it all over. Keep the pan in medium heat or medium flame and apply the garlic butter to the other side of the bread as well and start placing them on the pan one by one. This double side topping will give that extra kick. It enhances the flavor to another level. Cover this and cook. But wait, don't relax yet. Keep a close watch on it. They do not take much time, so keep checking on them, or else they'll either turn hard or get burnt and taste bitter. And eventually, we have to visit Pizza Hut the next time to overcome those bitter experiences, which is definitely not the motto of this recipe or video. So watch out. At this stage, your house would be filled with a great aroma. I absolutely love it. The favorite scent of garlic lovers. Now, when one side is done, flip them over. Cover and cook the other side too. Time to relieve these darlings from the heat. Meanwhile, let me ask you all to please consider subscribing to my channel and ring that bell exactly like you do in Pizza Hut. Once you're done ringing the bell and removing these cuties, tidy up the pan and wipe out all that breadcrumbs and repeat the same process for the next batches. Our gorgeous garlic breads look so tempting and are ready to munch on with ketchup and hot sauce. It's your choice, but have them hot. They're crispy on the edges and soft at the center.
This tastes scrumptious.
Nothing less than the ones served in the restaurant. Though a dish to enjoy all on its own, garlic bread also makes an ideal accompaniment with a range of dishes like spaghetti, pasta or soups if you prefer a large meal. Give this delicious recipe a try. You'll yearn for more. If you like my recipe, then please give me a thumbs up and share this recipe with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care and stay happy.